In this session, we are going to understand the concept of a casting. Casting means to take an object of one particular type and converting it into another object type. This process is called casting a variable. And in a simple definition, assigning a value of one type to a variable of another type is known as type casting. कि example के तौर पे समझो. Let's say I have a variable integer a and I have to convert this variable into double. Then here we are going to perform our type casting. Suppose I have a variable declared as double. The name of my variable is d and I am assigning it a value 100.04. Now here I want to convert this double into an integer value. So for this I am going to declare an integer variable I and I am converting this double into an integer. Here what I am doing, here I am performing a type casting. Means I am converting one data type into another data type. Okay. So let's say here write some line system dot out dot println. Let's say here I am writing the line, let's double value is concatenated with d. I'm just copying it and here I'm writing integer value is I. So let's save this and execute this program. So double value is 100.04 and integer value is 100. Means a type casting has been performed here. Now let's understand another example of type casting, converting a string into an integer. For this I am going to create a class. Let's say I am renaming it as casting example 1. Click on finish. Now here I am declaring two variables of string type. String s1 is equal to, let's say, 1. String s2 is equal to 2. Now I want to perform an addition operation between these two variables. Okay. So I have to typecast it first into an integer value. I am making a variable integer a, and in order to convert your string into an integer type, we have a method known as integer dot parse int. And here you have to specify the value of variable which you want to convert into an integer. So let's say here I am specifying s1. So with the help of this line, our string s1 will be converted into now an integer. So let's say here I am declaring another variable integer b, integer dot parse int s2. Integer c is equal to a plus b. And here I am writing a simple line system dot out dot println, say value is plus c. Okay, आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, that value after addition is. So click on save and execute this program. Now our string will be converted into an integer. If you try to perform the calculation within a string variable, तब देखना क्या होगा. Let's say एक variable लिया मैंने string result is equal to, let's say, s1 plus s2, and here I am writing a line system dot out dot println result. Click on save and execute it. A concatenation has been performed here. 1, 2 has been combined. So let me take another value, let's 45. Click on save. A concatenation has been performed. फिर concatenation का operator होता है हमारा plus. Okay. Now let's consider another example how you can convert a string into a float. So I'm making a use of another class. So I'm just copying this program. Now I want to convert my string into a float value. So I'm here writing a variable float f is equal to. Now you have to make a use of float dot parse float. For double dot parse double. Simple. So let's say pass here the value of s1. Take another variable, let's say f1 is equal to float dot pass the value of s2 here to make a use of this, and simply you can write a line system dot out dot println value after addition is, and here you can perform calculation between f1 and f plus f1. So just click on save and execute this program. Okay. Click on save and execute this program. 46.0. Now let's take in another example how you can convert your string into a date format. That type of typecasting can also be done, converting string into a date format. So let's say I'm taking an example. So here I'm creating a class casting example 3. So within this program I'm going to convert string into date. So let's say here I'm declaring a date within my string variable. Let's say string date is equal to, let's say मैंने आज की डेट पास कर दी 28/05/2012. So this date is in a format of date, month and year. इस format में date. Now I have to convert this string into my date. So for converting a string into a date, we need a package called as java.util.date. And within that package, you are going to have a class named as date. So here I am creating an instance of this date1 is equal to new. So let me auto import the package first. Control1 import java.date util. इस वाले package को आपको करना import. In order to change or in order to specify the format of your date, you can make a use of class called a simple date format. उसका है simple date format, and here you can specify the format for your date. Let's say D will denote the day, M will denote the month, and your Y will denote the year. If you put only one D here for 0 for let's say date 3, कोई मतलब day 3, उसके लिए ये इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करेगा 3. But if you are making a use of double D, then the format will be written as 03. So here I am going to make a use of double D. Same for month and same for year. So after specifying the format, you have to parse. You have to make a use of parse function, and parse हमें कराना किसको है, इस वाले date को, string वाली date को. So here I am parsing my date. I have to import the package first, control1, and the package for this is java.text.simpledate format. Package for your simple date format class. पास हो गया हमारा. date is equal to new simple date format. Okay, just wait down. So I have to surround my code within this try catch block. So here I'm writing a line system dot out dot println, and first of all I'm going to write my this date, and after that concatenation perform करा रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर. I want to write my this date 1. So click on save and let's execute this program. Unparsable date java.text unknown source. Just let me check what was the problem. In this simple date format, you have to specify the type. जैसा आपने यहाँ पर डिक्लेयर कर रखा है ऐसे ही आपको यहाँ पर भी डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा. So मैं एक बार ये साइन हटा के यहाँ पर कर रहा हूँ date, month and y. So now click on save and execute it. As you can see that my string has been converted into a date function. Okay. May 28 Sunday in 2017. The next step is to convert an integer into string. Integer को अगर आपको string में convert करना हो, so how you can perform this? Create a class here, new. Let's say the name of my class will be casting example 4. So within this program, I'm going to convert my integer into string. Integer to string conversion. In order to convert integer into a string, we are going to make a use of method called as value of. What this value of method will do, it is used to convert different type of values into string. And by the help of this string value of method, you can convert integer to string, long to string, boolean to string, characters to string, and so on. So let's understand it with the help of an example. Here I am declaring a variable integer I is equal to 200. Let's say my variable integer I is equal to 200. So what I am going to do, I am converting this I into a string format. String s1 is equal to, किसमें convert कराना है आपको? String में, and dot value of, let's say किसकी value of return करके दे दे मेरे को अपने variable I की. So with the help of this method, your integer I will be converted into a string. Okay? So let's understand it कि किस तरीके से convert हुआ होगा string में. So basically here I am going to write a line system dot out dot println. अब बताओ मैंने यहाँ पर एक लाइन लिखी I plus 100, तो क्या वैल्यू रिटर्न होकर आएगी? 300. Click on save and execute it. We have got the value 300. अब ध्यान से देखना कि अब मैंने क्या लिखा, system dot out dot println s1 plus 100. अब क्या वैल्यू आएगी? कितने?
400. सर s1 तो पहले से ही नहीं सका.
हाँ सर तुम्हारा 400. As you can see, with this string s1 I have converted my value into, this integer value has been converted into a string. और जब दो strings के बीच में हम concatenation कराते हैं तो it will get combined. So the output we have is 20 and 100. So this is a complete concept of our typecasting in Java.